Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create this really cool profile picture on CapCut PC. I'm just going to use this one for the example, and then I am just going to do the 1:1 frame ratio. You don't really have to, but it's gonna do that. And then I'm just going to copy and paste. Select this one and go to mask and select any shape that you want. Maybe circle, maybe a star. Up to you. I'm just going to use a circle for my one. I'm just going to leave it around here. Select the second one. Go to cutout and select auto cutout. And then you're going to go back to mask and you're going to select circle. And you're going to just use this to make it so that it looks like she's coming out of the frame. Maybe I'm just going to put this a little bit so it's in the middle kind of, and then I'm just going to place this in the middle. Then you can even add in a color if you want to. So go to library and go to background and select the color. I'm just going to select this blue. Okay, this one doesn't really match. What about this one? Whoops. Okay, that's even worse. Okay, it's fine. Let's just use this one. Then go to mask and select circle and just create an outline for it. You can also decorate using some stickers if you'd like to as well. But that is pretty much it, really. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Let me just rotate this real quick, sorry. Oops. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.